उत्तर गोंयचो ओडीपी पळयल्यार केरळान आयज जी परिस्थिती जाल्या ती उत्तर गोंयांत जावपाचे वाटेर आसा आनी तशें जाल्यार कोळंगडचो आमदार मायकल लोबोच जबाबदार आसतलो अशें कोळंगडचो आदलो आमदार आग्नेल फेर्नांडीस म्हणटा.
प्रोफेसर गाडगिलान हेंय सांगलां की गोवा विल बी नेक्स्ट केरला जाल्यार तशें गोंयांत जावंक शकता म्हणून. आतां प्रोफेसर गाडगिलान सांगलें गोंयचें विथ द पॉयंट ऑफ मायनींग, फ्रॉम द पॉयंट ऑफ मायनींग. नाव वॉट मायकल लोबो इज ट्रायंग टू जस्टिफाय is a destruction and sure cause of future tragedy and all the bad things that are supposed to come through his PDA and ODP. His own ex-Sarpanch of Kalangut has said that he has not listened to the people of Kalangut. He, in his new ODP, तेणें low-lying fields आहा पळय ती कन्वर्ट केलेली आहा, दोंगर कन्वर्ट केलेले आहा, खजान लँड्स कन्वर्ट केलेले आहा. इन कांदोलीम सिंकेरीम, बिफोर द ODP is out, also he has started with his blessing. Somebody started cutting the hills. I think press have covered this just last week. This disaster is in the waiting for us if this ODP goes forward. He keeps on impressing upon the people yesterday that it is natural. It is a natural disaster, natural calamity. When scientists, ecologists, geologists, everybody is saying that these are man-made, and even in Goa, we have to be careful. सगळे सायंटिस्ट सांगता बाबा आमी कितें कोत्ता आतां, ते मायनींग, ते कॉरींग, फातर काडटा, रेंव काडटा, हितून असले फ्लड्स जावपाची शक्ती आहा म्हणून. आनी आमचे गव्हर्मेंटान आहा पळय ते सांगतना ते नॅचरल म्हणून. हे लोकांक फटयता. हे पळय ODP, सेन्सलेस प्लॅनिंग, सेन्सलेस डेव्हलपमेंट दॅट इज कमिंग अप. फाल्यां जर गोंयांत कितेंय जालें, ओन्ली ट्रेजिडी, I can tell you from North Goa, Michael Lobo will be solely responsible for that. You will just see the ODP. If there is a flood tomorrow, Sinkerim Hill, Sogle, which was preserved for years, before even the ODP has come out, he started cutting. With his blessing, they started cutting. The people had to get together and stop it. Everywhere.
उपसभापती मायकल लोबोन केरळचे लोक गिरेस्त आसात, तांकां पयशांची गरज ना अशें म्हणून केरळच्या लोकांची लाज केल्या असो आरोप आग्नेलान केला. तशेंच केरळाक आयिल्ली परिस्थिती नैसर्गीक आसा अशें म्हणून लोकांक फटोवन विशय बदलपाचो प्रयत्न मायकल लोबो करता अशें आग्नेल म्हणटा.
But it was surprising yesterday to hear the deputy speaker say that people in Kerala are self-respecting and they don't need money, they only need prayer. काल आमच्या डेप्युटी स्पिकरान सांगलां की केरळाचे लोक तांकां कांय पयशांची गरज ना, ते बरे गिरेस्त, तांकां फकत आमची मागणी जाय म्हणून. नाव when a calamity strikes, you may be however rich, when a life saving goes, everybody needs help. The government may help in rebuilding your roads, your bridges and something else. But if your house is gone, we have seen what sort of support the government gives even in Goa when due to cyclone and other calamities, people lose their belongings. So it is a very careless statement, but I can understand why he is doing it. If you have noticed his press conference, he kept on saying it is natural disaster, natural disaster. There is nothing natural. Nature had provided us everything. We have done it. Most of the disasters that are happening now are man-made. You see, Professor Gadgil had already explained the consequences of what was going to happen in Kerala if we didn't pay heed to the Western Ghats. Professor Gadgilan सांगलेले की असले disaster जावंक शकता म्हणून. We from our side, from the Congress party, we will offer all the help and we appeal to all the people to help them with money, clothes or whatever they need. And I think he should not tell the people not to help them because it's creating confusion. People who were ready to help. The people in Kerala now are thinking, this MLA is saying they don't need money. Everybody in a disaster like this, they require money. Just to downplay your destructive mindset, your destructive ideas, which you plan to do through your ODP, you don't downplay the disaster that is happening there and the disaster that is going to come to Goa if you go ahead with this unplanned development and the destruction of our nature. कांदोलीम कालांगूट सगळीं शेतां बातां सगळीं पुरोवपाच्या हेचेर पावलेले आहा and that will percolate everywhere. People in other parts of Goa may not think, hey, कालांगूट जाता, कांदोलीम जाता, म्हापसा जाता म्हणून. It will go the whole of Goa because nature has given us low-lying fields, low-lying areas so that पावस जेन्ना सुबेज पडटा तेन्ना उदक थंय दवरपाचें म्हणून. आमी जर पुरयत तें, it will cause disaster just like Kerala. It may be worse than Kerala because Goa is so small and there's a big coastline.